Hey, it's a great day. I'm Mike Current, Energizer, and today is day 52 on the Continental Divide Trail. Yeah, let's do this. So last night, right after I closed out yesterday's video, it started to rain. Lightning, hail, thunder, the whole bit. Yeah, and it didn't stop. I mean, the thunder subsided, but the rain continued all night long. To the point I woke up at 3 a.m., calculated how much food I had, and figured I could stay put the entire day. If it rained all day today, I was staying put. It was one of those survival things. Better to stay warm and dry than get everything wet, try to make miles on trail. But then I woke up at 5 and the rain had stopped. And so I packed everything up and got on trail. Now, it's supposed to rain all day today. We'll see. Sun keeps popping out a little bit, but there's a lot of clouds. We'll see how the day goes. I'm at the 10,000 foot range. That's lowlands so far in Colorado from my experiences. And so I shouldn't have to deal with any snow today. And just trying to make miles on trail today. See how far I can get depending on the weather, depending on the terrain. Yeah, should be great. Well, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, this is the trail. Dirt road. It's all good. They really do try to make it easy for me. Yep, going that way. Now, I've seen a lot of cattle accessories, and there's certainly enough cow dung on the ground, but for the life of me, I have not seen a single cow or cattle. Yeah, look at all that. Those clouds don't look all that inviting. Yeah. Today is June 21st. It's first day of summer. It's also the internationally recognized Hike Naked Day. Yeah, but it's cold out here. It's gonna have to warm up quite a bit before I participate. Cold is not a flattering feature on a naked man. So, yeah. Started to rain. Yep. An ATV rider just passed me. He said we're supposed to get up to 2 inches of rain between noon and midnight tonight. Oh man. The sun is out right over me, so I'm gonna get everything dried out now. Priority's gotta be to stay safe tonight. Sun is out again. This day is so weird. It's raining again. Oh yeah. So closing out day 52. What a wild weather day. I mean, it went from, I didn't think I was going anywhere this morning. I thought I was going to be staying put because the rain was going to stay all day, to, well, I'll just hike 10 miles before the storm hits. And then when that local told me 2 inches of rain are coming, oh, and then I had a spot picked out at the 17-mile mark, and I got to it and the sun was out, you know, and it's like, okay, well, I'll just keep going. So, you know, yeah, it's kind of one of those days where you're balancing between, hey, wanting to get miles on trail, but also wanting to be safe, because, you know, getting wet and cold is not a good thing. So wound up doing 23 miles. So yeah, it turned out to be a decent day. I stopped a little early because, yeah, the storm's coming. You can hear the thunder in the distance. So it's going to be another interesting night. I think the trail today was kind of a connect the dots. I left La Garita Wilderness yesterday, and then tomorrow I'll be going back up into the 11,000, close to 12,000 foot range as far as elevation, back up into the hills. So I think today was just kind of connecting those two pieces together. It was still pretty. I mean, I enjoyed it, but the weather, yeah. You know, I changed out of my rain pants and tops and bottoms over 6 times today. Over 6 times. Just trying to figure out what it's going to do. So tomorrow the weather's supposed to be better. We'll see. Should be great. See you then.